Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Tuesday, the 19th of July. Starting up with Orius Mining, where we're revisiting this encouraging looking situation, rising trend channel from the beginning of the year, above the 50-day moving average of 3.91 pence. We're looking for a 10 pence target, basically the top of the range for this year, and also the top of the price channel. Any dips towards the 50-day line, currently regarded as a buying opportunity. Nice dip for the RSI. Just on the neutral 50 level, which is a momentum signal, a positive momentum signal. Next stock is BGO, which looking very sprightly indeed with this bull flag breakout above the 200-day moving average at 68 pence. Implied target here as high as 160 pence over the next couple of months, which is the top of a rising November price channel, and any dips towards Friday's low. Intraday low at 72 pence regarded as a buying opportunity. Conviviality is next, and here it's a stock I've actually tried to avoid in the recent past, and probably just as well given the shenanigans that there's been, but at least now we've had the failed gap fill, the low there for January to date down to 163, the bottom of this gap from last summer at 159, so decent turnaround there within a rising trend channel from this time last year. Implied target as high as £2.50 again, and only cautious traders really would wait on an end of day close above the 50-day moving average at £1.98 before going long. RSI is at 56, so that is a leading indicator on the upside argument. Next up, the big one for private investors, Gulf Keystone, where it looks as though funding is in place, so salvation may be in place as well. Exhaustion gap fill there with the break back above the top of that gap at 4.6 pence from last week. At least while we're above the 50-day moving average of 4.53 pence, we could see a top of broadening April triangle target as high as 8 pence over the next couple of weeks. Moving along to independent oil and gas, another stock which seems to be on the front foot at the moment. Rising trend channel there from basically the beginning of March, above the 50-day moving average of 15.39 pence. We're looking up to 25 pence at the top of this year's price channel. Sable Mining is next, stock which had a soft spot for in the recent past. Perhaps not quite justified until yesterday when we broke this falling wedge, and we've completed the double bounce there from just below, around the 0.18 pence for June and July. Initial target here, the 50-day moving average at 0.3 pence, but after that, it would not be mad to be looking for the 200-day moving average at 0.46 pence. If you're cautious on the shares, wait for an end-of-day close above the 50-day line, but the RSI has broken above the neutral 50 level. Finishing off with Sovereign Mines of Africa, and here we've got break above the 200-day moving average with a gap as well, so that's extra positive there for the shares. Top of the channel from the beginning of the year at 0.6 pence, and that's the target while we hold above the 200-day line. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.